Your old hard drive is holding you hostage. Break free with the Fikwot FX815 4TB SSD. Ready to break the chains of that prehistoric hard drive? Meet the Fikwot FX815 4TB SSD, your new digital adrenaline shot. With read speeds up to 560 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 500 megabytes per second, this solid-state beast obliterates boot delays, chews through app loads, and slices through game cutscenes like a ninja in night mode. Whether you're a gamer, creator, or casual multitasker, this drive delivers raw speed with ruthless consistency. Say goodbye to buffering, lag, and spinning rainbow wheels of doom. Just fast, fluid, and flawless performance that'll make you wonder how you ever lived with a dusty old HDD. So what makes the FX815 truly elite? It rocks 3D and NAND flash memory with SLC cache acceleration and LDPC ECC error correction, giving you speed, accuracy, and reliability in one shockproof package. Translation: this thing doesn't just store files, it protects them like a digital bodyguard. Powered by SATA III 6 gigabits per second, the FX815 ensures lightning-fast data transfers with low latency, zero overheating, and no need for extra cooling fans. From massive video exports to relentless gaming marathons, it stays cool, quiet, and crazy fast. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a total system transformation on a chip. Now let's talk versatility. The FX815's slim 7mm profile fits Ultrabooks, laptops, desktops, even retro rigs gasping for life. Got an old clunker collecting dust? Pop this SSD in, and boom, it's alive. With a massive 4TB capacity, there's room for your entire digital universe, 4K movies, music libraries, game installs, spreadsheets, cat memes, whatever you hoard, this drive can handle it. It also sips power like a digital monk, consuming 45x less energy than an HDD, great for battery life, energy bills, and your inner tree hugger. It's silent, efficient, and practically pays for itself over time. Don't worry about fragility, this SSD is built like a digital tank. With shock resistance, vibration dampening, and zero moving parts, it handles bumps and jolts better than your last relationship. It runs cooler, quieter, and more reliably than traditional drives, and it's built for the long haul with up to 1,280 terabytes written (TBW) endurance and a 5-year warranty. Whether you're gaming, editing, or just hate waiting for your PC to start, this SSD is the dependable upgrade that'll serve you well for years. Plus, Fikwot's support team actually responds. Like, with real humans. We know, wild. So, is it worth it? Absolutely. The Fikwot FX815 4TB SSD delivers pro-grade storage at a price that doesn't punch your wallet in the face. It's powerful, energy-efficient, tech-tested, and built for longevity. No noisy spinning. No lag tantrums. Just pure, uninterrupted performance every single time you boot up. Whether you're trying to save time, rescue an old laptop, or finally build your dream rig, this SSD is your golden ticket. It's faster, tougher, and more efficient than traditional drives, and honestly, once you go solid state, you never go back. So do your system and your sanity a favor, upgrade now.